Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the dictation feature on your iPhone. This is a really useful feature as if your hands are busy or you're just lazy, you can talk to your phone and it'll type in the message for you. So to do this, open up your message app, then tap on a contact where you want to talk and text. Tap on the message field where you'll be typing. You should see a keyboard appear at the bottom. At the bottom of this keyboard, you'll see this mic logo appear at the bottom right. Tap on it and you should see a prompt for dictation. Go ahead and tap on Enable Dictation. I haven't got it on my screen as I've already tapped on Enable Dictation before. After pressing Enable Dictation, the Talk to Text feature will start. This feature will listen to what you're saying and will type it out for you. You can say full sentences or short sentences. To add punctuations after a sentence, just say the type of punctuations like question mark or exclamation mark. Now this feature is available on many different apps like WhatsApp, Notes, Safari, Reminders, and other social media app. Just open the iPhone keyboard and you should see the mic icon appear. Tap on it and start talking what you want to text. And that is how to enable the dictation feature on your iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If this worked for you, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. If not, then let me know as well and we'll work something out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.